Paddling.
But yeah, when you're sitting there, it's actually really small with your pack.
It's nice and clean, Ken.
It's got a few mud marks on it already from the setting it up in the garden.
And it ended up pointing out at 90 degrees. I didn't know it was back and I got it right on there.
No, it's weird, isn't it? It's such a key ring. No,
I should pass your compliments on to any more cups or glasses.
Well, congratulations to Ken. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, cheers.
Good one, Ken.
May we have many adventures all together in it. Right.
That's nice.
That's nice. Yeah, it's refreshing.
Hi, Ken. We are aboard Mill Pit, which is Ken's brand new Virgin sailing canoe here. Never been sailed before. Just left Lydney Slip, only in light airs, but we are sailing. This is lovely. This is fantastic. So congratulations, Ken, on a great boat build. Look at this.
Thank you very
Look
much.
at this piece of work, eh? Oh, fantastic.
Oh, amazing. Absolutely bloody amazing.
So we're approaching Sharpness on the other side of the river. Back there, I'll just come round again. There's Lydney Harbour disappearing behind us. Absolutely superb.
The man with the chimney cat grin.
It's a humbug.
Yeah, that's a good word for it.
We're calling it a humbug, sir.